Hey everyone, I just wanted to go through and show you these pictures. It's for my G.R.E.A.T ride. G.R.E.A.T stands for Glacial Ridge Excellent Adventure Tour, because if it wasn't an excellent adventure, it'd be totally bogus. So this area is, it's Pope County, Minnesota, mostly. You get into some of the counties around it, but it's about 60 miles west of St. Cloud, or I think it's about 120 miles southeast on the interstate out of Fargo. West central Minnesota anyway, but these are some of the pictures I took on the ride. And this summer, if you're watching this in 2023, I am going to be leading a ride and showing all these places to people, so you get, you know, some local knowledge. Might see some of the spots that are slightly off the path, or you know, kind of little secret spots on top of this already kind of hidden gem out in the prairie. But if you're interested in going on this ride, if you like what you're seeing in these pictures, go to the link in the video description to Adventure Rider, and you can get the GPX tracks and do it at your own pace. Or if you want to go on a ride with me leading it, you can go to my page and get my email, go to my channel page, get my email, and send inquiries that way. Otherwise, contact me on Adventure Rider, and we can get something up this summer to go see all this stuff. You know, a couple of dams, lots of lakes, lots of wildlife. It's mostly gravel, a little bit of dirt and a little bit of pavement. Lots of wildlife, historical sites. There's all kinds of camping, a couple of big towns in the area if you want to stay at a hotel, that sort of thing. And like I said, Adventure Rider, you can get the GPX and do it right now or whenever you want. Or 2023 in the summer, I'll lead a ride. So thanks for watching. Most of my video views come from people who are not subscribed to my channel, so if you could take just a second down there and hit subscribe and like, it'll trick the algorithm into thinking I'm more popular than I actually am.